From climbing roses to floppy perennials, at some point, every gardener will need a plant support of some kind. They're one of the most versatile and handy tools to have around a garden, which brings us to today's question from Kat. And she's asked what options she has for plant supports in her garden. So that's a great question, which takes us on to some of the plant supports that I have in my garden. First up, we have the obelisk, which adds a lot of architectural interest. It's a fantastic support and great for bringing your planting height up in the border. So roses, things like sweet peas are perfect for the obelisk. Then we have the hoop support. Now, the hoop supports are very versatile because you can lift them up and take them to different places in the garden, and they're great for staking things like hydrangeas, for example, that flop over. Then over here, we have the rose wires. Now, rose wires are super. They're good for heavy plants like rambling roses and climbing roses when they bare their hips and they need the right support. But you know me, I love a challenge. So today I'm going to be building a plant support out of hazel. Here I'm using hazel, or you can use an alternative pliable wood like willow or ash, as long as it's natural and budget friendly. Right, that's step 2 complete. The 4 upright posts are in. You can do it in a raised bed like this, or you could do it directly in your beds and borders. Judge the heights of your sides depending on what you're growing in the space. So I'm growing delphiniums, and I want my sides to be around 30 centimetres and 60 centimetres. So judge it according to what you're growing through the supports. Right, so this is step 4. We're putting our middle runners in. We're just spacing them out evenly according to what I'm growing here. We're going to screw them in, and then we're going to weave in some thinner bits of hazel to create that grid-like structure. So that's step 4 complete. We put in the runners. We've woven in the thinner bits of hazel, tied them together. Now, step 5 is to repeat the process and then trim off any loose ends. That's it, job done. Whether you're buying an off-the-shelf plant support or creating your own one from scratch, there's something for every plant and every garden. Thanks again for the question, and if you've got one of your own, send it in, and I'll see you next time on Ask the Gardener.